Hi everyone, it's Romina. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm gonna do another Halloween manicure, this time with spiders. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and let's get started. So first I'm gonna apply my base coat. If you're not familiar with this is the first layer that you will put on your nails, and it will prevent your nails from staining, it will protect them, and also make your manicure last longer. So for the base colors, I'm going to be using Cyber, Superfreak, and Chiffon. These are all polishes from Cirque colors. The first two are polishes from a Vice collection many years ago, and the other one is a gray neutral base for any nail art, so I will highly recommend you get a color like this. So now for the stamping part, I'll be using the spider webs here and also some French tips in negative space. These plates are both from Manuscript and they were sent out to me a few months ago to try them out. So the technique that I'm using here is called double stamping. So that means that you have in one stamping plate your fill and the other stamping plate will have the shape. So in this case, the fill is the spider webs and the shape is the French tip. So the idea is stamp one on top of the other to get this result, which is pretty cool, right? So I'm gonna repeat this process in orange and also in green. Here I'm stamping with regular polishes, so it's a little bit tricky and difficult because these polishes are not fully opaque on one coat. So if you're doing this, I highly recommend you use stamping polishes so you will get this design on your first try and it will be a lot easier for them to stick to the nail. So after that, I'm gonna stamp some spiders. I wanted to make the effect that they're walking on my nail, so I added 2 spiders per nail, one closer to the base and the other one closer to the tip of my nail, and I will cover them with the smudge free top coat to avoid any smudge on my polishes, and I will apply a glossy top coat to finish this look. I really love this design. I think it's very playful, very colorful. Let me know what you think in the comments below and which colors will you use to recreate this design. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!